But let's talk about the LinkedIn, because I think that's where you have a lot of success, and maybe you have more. Then tell more about that. But how does it start, and how did you get aligned and see that this is actually a benefit for you or giving you that success you were looking for?
Right. I think what social media is amazing in general, not just LinkedIn, is that it touches people after the 9-to-5 day. We were so used to this kind of idea that you worked and then you clocked out and you forgot about it. But these other ways that you could touch people on different time zones, we're on the East Coast. So, when you're posting, you could schedule to be seen from, all over the world. I think it's a way to touch people that we never really were able to. Manufacturing such a big component, but it's hard to put these like faces and other items to, the company. But when you are able to post and kind of be seen and make it these things to stay top of mind, it definitely was a way to build our brand.
Yeah.
It was not such a focus before. I mean, we had LinkedIn's and everything, and there was posts and everything, but I think staying on top of mind, LinkedIn specifically, we were able to build our network from the ground up, and, the engineers are able to access things. I am, of the generation that like we thrive in these kind of situations, posting and making sure we're seen. So it's just something like everyday life for us. So I did want to make a big effort into that kind of marketing. So it's definitely been, we're kind of, like I said, we got the ball rolling, and now we found our groove. We found how to identify where we are and what we sell, and kind of make it a fluid branding along with a very clean look. It's hard not to get so complicated on social media.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Podcast. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcast. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sannah Vinding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sannahvinding.com or mindinnovation.com. Stay curious, keep learning.